some tips and tricks and how to have fun doing it. So today we're looking at the dust effect. Let's get into the video.
Open up After Effects, you create a new composition, 1920 by 1080p, 24 frames per second, then you give it 10 seconds as duration. Press OK and start. You click on title, action, save, and you go and type in your text. So I'm going to just type in dust. Now I increase the size because I want it to be bigger. I go to align and align it to the middle of the composition. Now I type in the font I want to use. I adjust the size a little bit and I change the style. So I want it to be all capital letters. So I will select it to be all capital letters. Then I align it one more time and we're done. Wait, let me change the color too. So I duplicate my layer, rename the first layer particle. Then I go to the Effects and Preset tab and search for CC Composite. I apply it to the first layer. Then I go back and search for CC Particle System 2. Then I apply it to on the first layer. Now I open all the submenus because I'm going to be using most of the submenus. Now I scroll down to particles and click source alpha inheritance. Then I change the max opacity to 30. Now I scroll up to the birth rate and change it to 50. Change longevity to 4 seconds. Let's go to the producer. For this part, make sure that your timeline at the beginning is at 0. Your timeline indicator, that blue bar in the middle, make sure it's at 0. So I select the X position and change the X position down to 0. I make a keyframe. I move 1 second into the timeline and increase it to 1920. I feel like this 1 second will be too short, so I will increase it to 2 seconds. So I play it back and it's looking good. Now under pieces, I change the animation to direction, change the velocity to 0.5, change the inherent velocity to 20, the gravity to minus 0.4 and resistance to 20. Now I scroll down under particle. I use the eyedropper tool to make the bed color the same as the text color. Then I do the same thing for the depth color, but I will make it a little bit darker so that it have like a blend from bright to dark as it's dying. Yeah, it's dying. So I play it back and it looks good. So I like it. Now I scroll up to producer, change the X radius to 0 and the Y radius I change it until the vertical axis of my text is covered. So I'll use 17 for now and play it back. Yeah, I feel like it's not fully covered, so I'll change it to 19. So I'll play it back and we are done with our particle. Now we move to the bottom layer, the dust, one that is named dust. We go to effect panel, click on linear white and apply it to the bottom layer. And go to the beginning of the composition. Make the keyframe of transition completion in the effects tab there. Now move to the end of the particle keyframe, that 2 seconds that we like we did the fade out for the particle. So I'm going to select same transition completion and drag it until I have 100. So I play it back Okay. Uh, as you're seeing, it's not following each other, like the linear wipe is coming before the particle. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to grab the empty frame and drag it until it adjusts properly, until it is synced up properly. And you have it. You're ready to export.
So that was really easy and simple, right? So I'm going to leave a link in my video description to a document that you can download where all the values are. So subscribe, like, and share. And in the next video, we are looking at video cloning. See you in the next video.